This tutorial shows the installation and usage of the real-time US and Indian stock prices toolbar. This guide will walk you through the process of setting up the toolbar on your Chrome browser, enabling you to access real-time stock information conveniently. Click on Add to Chrome. Complete the installation by adding the extension. Click on the extensions icon. Click on Pin option. Click the new tab icon. Open any website address, example google.com. Click on the Real-Time Stock Prices extension icon. Search for specific stocks. Enter the stock names like Reliance, Wipro. Select the required stock, and now the selected stock information will be displayed in the toolbar. Toggle the Show or Hide toolbar. You can change the toolbar position by selecting top or bottom option. You can see the newly added stock price information is being displayed. This guide covered the installation steps for the real-time US and Indian stock prices toolbar on Chrome, including adding the extension, searching for specific stocks, and navigating within the browser. Get ready to enhance your stock monitoring experience with this easy-to-follow guide.